Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Camry fog light. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your Camry is parked on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake engaged for safety. We'll begin by accessing the fog light housing from the front bumper area. To get to the fog light, turn your steering wheel fully to the side opposite the light you're changing. This gives you more room. Next, locate and remove the screws holding the fender liner in place, usually about 3 to 5 screws. Gently pull back the fender liner to reveal the fog light assembly behind the bumper. Once you have access, disconnect the electrical connector from the old fog light bulb by pressing the tab and pulling. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn and pull it straight out. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb. Insert the new bulb, twisting it clockwise until it locks into place, and reattach the electrical connector. Now, carefully push the fender liner back into its original position and reinsert all the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is snug and secure. Before you finish, turn on your Camry and test the new fog light to confirm it's working properly. If both fog lights need replacing, simply repeat these steps for the other side.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.